Our demand is punishment of all concerned in Obhaya's murder, Obhaya's torture and evidence tampering, and all those who are involved in corruption in government healthcare system. Dr. Shukanta Chakraborty, Joint Platform of Doctors.
ও ভাই এগিয়ে